said that he's going to
Yes,
launch a war.
because well, he's fighting a revolution.
Opo.
He has slowed down because he wants to talk. And the original agreement, I think that was assurance given to him by Cory Aquino was that there will be a federal system that would govern this country. I mean, this structure. And he is sticking to that agreement. And tapos naman yung federalism na being crafted by Congress. Maybe somehow we can craft the setup within the federal structures. Pero it has to go into a process, and I'm sure Chairman Miswari knows that everything must be in accordance with the Constitution.
Sir, hindi naman po siya, he's not talking about territories, no? I mean, owning...
Well, kung ano ang labas ng federalism, we'll just have to craft something there that would be allowed by the Constitution and by law.